During a twin pregnancy, finding the right sleeping position is important for both your comfort and the well-being of your babies. Here are some general guidelines for safe sleeping positions during a twin pregnancy. Placing a pillow between your legs can help create space in your pelvis and hips. This position works well, especially during the first and second trimesters, as it helps align your hips and reduces discomfort. Simply place the pillow between your upper thighs for added support and comfort while sleeping. Sleeping on your left side is recommended during pregnancy because it improves blood flow to your placenta and babies, ensuring better delivery of nutrients and oxygen. It also helps reduce pressure on your liver, kidneys, and heart, making it a safe and beneficial position, especially in the second and third trimesters. If you experience heartburn, shortness of breath, or swelling, elevating your upper body with extra pillows can help. This position reduces pressure on your diaphragm and stomach, easing heartburn and allowing gravity to assist with fluid retention. As your belly grows during pregnancy, sleeping on your stomach becomes uncomfortable and impractical. This position can also put pressure on your uterus and baby. It's generally best to stop sleeping on your stomach after the first trimester. After the first trimester, sleeping on your back can pressure major blood vessels, reducing blood flow to you and your baby, and may cause discomfort or dizziness. To avoid this, place pillows behind your back to help prevent rolling onto your back during the night. A full-body maternity pillow is a specially designed pillow that provides comprehensive support to expecting mothers throughout their pregnancy. The Momcozy Velvet Ergonomic Supportive Pillow is designed to replace multiple pillows, providing full-body support for your head, back, belly, sides, knees, hips, and feet. It helps improve blood circulation, relieves back pain, hip discomfort, and leg swelling, offering exceptional comfort and pain relief for expecting mothers. Filled with premium polyester, the pillow provides a perfect balance of support and comfort, keeping its shape over time. So the right sleeping position and proper support are key to ensuring the well-being of both you and your babies.